Can you give us 5 minutes? I'll get it ready.
Okay. Students, please turn your videos on and keep the video on. Keys, iron nails, clips, aluminium pins, and thermocol balls, bits of paper, pieces of cloth, plastic toys, keys, wood. All this was asked to bring. Can you all see everything on the table? In the same way, you all also put these things on the table, and you'll need a magnet for that. Okay, all of you all first bring and put on your cameras and adjust your cameras so that we can see them. So that we can see, yes.
Ma'am, we thought it was the other way in this to get things ready.
Okay. Sharia, have you brought all the things?
No, ma'am.
Yes? We cannot see your...
Wait a second.
Okay. Angela, have you got all the things ready? Okay. Yes, Angela.
Mama, yes.
Advait, what do you have? What are the things that you have, Advait?
I have a plastic toy, metal pins, cloth, wire, and stick which is cut in half, wooden stick, and shells, stones, white stone, paper,
Okay.
and thermocol balls, and a key.
Okay. Angela, yeah. Okay. Angela, what do you have?
Thermocol balls, marbles, mm, keys, cotton cloth, toy, copper wire, iron nails,
Okay.
magnet.
All right. Yeah. Magnet is the most important thing that you'll need for this experiment. Zanisha, have you got all the things?
Yes.
Show me the things that you got.
Camera. Was on.
Yes. Okay. Yeah. Okay. A plastic piece. All right. What are you showing, Sanisha? I couldn't see. Okay, balls you had. The previously what you showed? Cloth?
Wool. Sorry, wool.
Wool.
Wool. Okay. Okay. Keep it all near you. Okay. You'll have to mix all the things together. All right. You'll have to mix everything together.
Yes.
Ainesh, what do you have?
Yes.
थांबते एकाकीला विचारते.
Ainesh, what do you have?
Ma'am, I have plastic toy
सब कोई दे.
clips.
Okay. Okay.
चाबी.
Key.
Keys.
magnet,
You can say in any language, Ainesh. Okay. Whichever language you know, and you cannot say it in English. You can say it in Hindi or any other language also.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Magnet.
सबटा नागी रहउची.
Magnet. I have
Okay.
magnet, and I have key, and I have clips, and I have plastic
Okay.
toy, and I have
गडे.
stones, and I have
Okay.
wire, and I have
कॉन्टॅक्ट.
clip nails,
Clips. Okay.
and I have some balls.
What you have? Balls.
Yes.
Thermocol balls. Okay. Okay. Jinisha, are you ready?
Link me.
What? What, ma'am?
Are you ready, Jinisha?
Yes.
Real.
Almost.
No, Sanisha is ready. Jinisha, are you ready?
चुंबकटा. अजूरी जीवन.
Are you ready with all the supplies?
Yes.
क्लिप ଗୋଟେ ଆମ ବତ୍ତି କହିଲା.
Shaurya? Shaurya hasn't
It
yet
what
come.
it can talk to go to doctor.
हैं?
Yes, ma'am.
हां.
Ita?
सब तो ଅଛି. कागज भी ଅଛି सब ଅଛି.
Shaurya, are you ready with all the
लगा.
supplies?
Yes, ma'am.
कागज रखे देखी जाए.
Okay. Can you show us what do you have?
Ma'am, I don't have thermocol balls.
कागज
Thermocol balls? Oh, you don't have thermocol balls. Okay.
Wooden stick.
Yeah.
Magnet
Okay.
and a small
Yes.
plastic small.
Magnet and a small?
Yes, ma'am.
Shaurya, do you have pins, safety pins?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you can bring that also. Okay, and do you have iron nails? Iron nails and safety pin, if you can get it, it will be good.
Ma'am, I have nails.
Okay, all right. Do you have safety pin? Does mummy have safety pins at home?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you can get them also. 2 safety pins will do. Okay.
Ma'am, I'm done. Ma'am, I have also some safety pins.
Yeah. Yes. Jinisha, you can show. Jinisha,
I have
what do you have?
I have tissue paper, iron nails, copper
Okay.
wire,
Okay.
candle, plastic toys, and matchbox
Okay.
and keys.
Okay. All right. So now we can, Swara. Yes, Swara. Do you have all the supplies ready, beta? Give me a second. 1 second. Swara, do you have all the supplies? Can you show us what do you have?
Yes. I have keys, pen.
Can you show us, Swara? We can't see. Can you adjust your camera?
Keys,
Okay.
marbles,
Yes.
metal.
Magnet.
Black paper.
Okay. All right. So what we'll do, all of y'all put all the things that y'all have with y'all. Okay, put it and mix it all together. Mix it all together. Except the magnet. Magnet you'll have to keep separate. Okay. All the other things that you'll have, mix it all together. Okay, and adjust your camera. Now what y'all will do, y'all will see. Now all of you look at this. This is called a bar magnet. Okay, there are two bar magnets. There is a plastic in between the bar magnets. Why? If the magnets are kept together, it will lose its magnetic power. That is why this plastic is kept. Okay, now this is called a bar magnet. So what y'all will also do it with me. Okay, all of y'all mixed up all your things. Now y'all will take the magnet and y'all will put it close to the things, and you'll see what are the things that the magnet attracts. Okay, and y'all will tell me what are the things that the magnet has attracted. All right, did y'all understand what to do, all of y'all?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Yeah. So all of y'all put your magnets close to the things and see what are the things that gets attracted to your magnet. All right, even I'm doing it.
Ma'am, keys are getting attracted.
Okay, keys are getting attracted.
Ma'am, safety pins and hairpins are attracted.
Ma'am,
Okay.
iron nails are getting attracted.
Okay.
Ma'am, iron nails is also
Ma'am,
attracted.
my nails is all attracted.
Keys, ma'am, keys is also attracted.
Which,
Okay.
ma'am, the things which
Yes.
on my, ma'am, which the things ma'am, my safety pin is also attracted. I guess that was too much weight.
Okay. Can you see this? Can everyone see? What are these? These are paper clips. This is a key. This is the nail. This is the hair clip. Okay. And these are the iron nails. This is the safety pin. So all these things get attracted. You'll also show me one by one. And the other things don't get attracted. Yeah. Show me one by one what is getting attracted and what not. First, we'll start with Shaurya.
Yes, ma'am, I am showing.
Yes,
Yes. You can show. Okay. What is that? Iron nails. So iron nails are getting attracted. All right. That's it, Shaurya? Only iron nails get attracted?
No, ma'am. Safety pins also.
Okay, safety pins also get attracted. So, okay. Okay, so these are the two things that get attracted, right? Okay, now
Yes.
we'll go to Angela. Yes, Angela, you can show what are the things that got attracted to your magnet?
Safety pins,
Safety pins. Can you show us?
iron, yes, iron nails,
Okay. Iron nails,
hair clip,
hair clips. Okay, yeah. Now we can see it.
keys,
Okay, keys.
scissor,
Scissors. Okay.
yes,
Okay. All right. Now, Advait, you can show us the things that got attracted to your magnet.
So the things which attracted to my magnet are a metal wire
Okay.
and safety
Keys.
pins and car keys
Okay.
and also scissors also attract.
All right. Okay. Jinisha, you can show us. What are the things that got attracted?
Keys,
Keys.
iron nails,
Okay. Did it get attracted? Where's your magnet, Jinisha? Okay. All right. Can you show us how it gets attracted? Yes. All right.
keys.
Okay.
And I only get protected.
Okay. Those are the things that got attracted. All right. Swara, you can show us what are the things that get attracted?
Yes. Keys.
Keys. Yes. Okay.
Nails.
Yes.
Safety pin.
Pin.
And
You can say in any language, Swara. Okay, if you know it in Hindi, you can tell it. You can tell us in Hindi. No worries.
okay.
Yeah. All right. Now, Zanisha, can you show us what are the things that got attracted to your magnet?
Yes.
Yes.
The keys.
Okay.
Safety pin.
Yes.
Iron fillings.
Okay. Iron fillings. Yes. Then.
Camera show down, no? Camera show down. Anything else? That's it. No?
That is it.
Okay. That's it. Okay. Fine. Anish, can you show us what are the things that got attracted?
Ma'am, safety pin and nail.
Okay. Safety pins and nails. So, The things that get attracted are magnetic. Okay, they are magnetic. So they get attracted to the magnet. And those things that don't get attracted to the magnet are non-magnetic. Understood? The things that get attracted to the magnet are magnetic, and things that don't get attracted to the magnet
And
are
key
called non-magnetic.
and nail. And safety
Yeah.
pin.
Okay.
সেটা নাগবনি
Okay. Safety pin and nails got attracted, right?
সেটা নাগবনি
Fine.
এই নাগবনি
Thank you.
Okay. Now,
নাগবনি না
understood experiment? The things that are magnetic will get attracted.
And
Your
plastic.
plastic toy got attracted. Did it get attracted, Ainesh? Your plastic toy?
Yes, ma'am. Look.
Okay, there must be something metallic inside that toy. That's why it might have got. But plastic is not magnetic. Okay, plastic
Ma'am,
will not get
rubber.
attracted.
And it's rubber, ma'am.
What is that?
It's
Okay.
rubber magnet.
But plastic is not magnetic. Okay, plastic will not get attracted. Something must be inside the plastic toy. Maybe some metal piece or something that is getting attracted to your magnet.
দেখাও ସବୁ
Okay.
খাতা পত্র
Understood this experiment? Now we will do another experiment. Okay. For that, you all need a container. You all need a sponge, a cotton cloth, and cotton cloth, sponge. Okay. Do you have? Yeah, these two things: cotton cloth, and sponge, and a container, and a tissue paper. Do you all have a tissue paper? These three things: cotton cloth, sponge.
Please repeat. What things are required?
Yes, you need a sponge, tissue paper.
Ma'am, I have this big sponge.
Okay, sponge, tissue paper.
Sponge.
Sponge.
No worries. You can see the experiment. Okay, sponge, tissue paper, cotton
tissue
cloth,
paper.
and a container. 2 containers you bring.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ma'am, how many tissue paper?
Tissue paper 1. Only 1 tissue paper.
Okay.
Okay. Get all your supplies ready and give me a second. Just 1 second. Okay. Get all your supplies ready by that time.
Ma'am, can we use stitching thread?
Janisha, did you ask something?
Can we use stitching thread?
Sticking thread.
Stitching thread.
Stitching thread. No, we only need cotton cloth. Do you have any cotton cloth? Any handkerchief you can bring? Handkerchief?
Okay.
Hanky? Cotton one? Yeah. Stitching thread won't do for that. So I have a container. See, if you don't have sponge, do you have this which is used in the house for washing utensils? You can use that.
Ma'am, wait,
Okay.
my mom is seeing.
A tissue paper, a cotton handkerchief.
Wait a minute, I'm just getting.
Y'all must be not having anything to measure, so y'all can see the experiment first, and then y'all can do it in your. Yes. Sponge that you all use to wash your utensils also can be used if you all do not have sponge. Yes, very good. Yes, Advait, that will work.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, I have.
Yes.
Ma'am, I have two big sponge.
Okay. So you all have to have a
Ma'am.
container, okay? In a container, you all have to keep water. See, I am having water in a container. I'm having a cotton cloth, tissue paper. I'm having a funnel. You all don't require it. I'm having a measuring cylinder. This is to measure how much water. If you all cannot measure, you all can see how much water, okay? And a sponge. These are the things that I am using.
Ma'am, I have also that.
Ma'am, I don't have the sponge.
You don't have this sponge? Who said that?
Ma'am, I have also. I also have that.
Advait has a sponge. Who does not have a sponge?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, I have also that.
Okay, you also have a funnel, Angela? Okay,
Yes.
fine. All right. Are all your supplies ready? Can we start with the experiment?
Yes.
Ainesh, Farah, Zanisha, are you all ready?
yes, ma'am.
Jinisha, Advait, Angela, Shaurya, ready?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So
Yes, ma'am.
those who don't have sponge can see when we are working with the sponge. Okay, you all can sit and see. First, we'll use a tissue paper. What we will do is, okay, and one more thing, you all have to keep a stopwatch. Means a mobile phone maybe which is having a stopwatch. Because
Nicola ma'am, I will use the stopwatch and I will tell you when to start, when to stop. So all of you all can do it at that time.
okay, yeah.
Ma'am, I have a small piece of. Ma'am, I cut
So
the
all of you all
sponge in
get ready.
small piece.
Nicola ma'am, what should be the duration?
20 seconds.
Okay.
After putting, yeah. See, when I start, all of y'all must start. Okay, all of y'all have your containers ready with water.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone has it ready with water.
Ma'am, I have design or tissue paper.
Yes, ma'am.
No problem, Angela. You just need a tissue paper. It doesn't matter if you have a design on the tissue paper or not.
You need
doesn't matter.
two containers. Huh? Keep two containers ready. One empty container, one container with water.
Yeah.
Okay.
One container with water and one empty container. Okay.
And those who are using hanky and sponge, make sure your container is big enough that you can put the sponge inside the container. Okay, for example, Jinisha, your container looks too small and the sponge is very big.
Okay. I'll get a big
Can you quickly, I'm giving you all 2 minutes, get everything ready fast.
All of you have two containers.
Ma'am, can you tell again? Yes, ma'am.
Okay. One should be with water, one should be without water, empty, okay? Yes. Okay, Angela, everyone can show us y'all where y'all are doing the experiment. Y'all can put y'all's adjust y'all's camera.
Shaurya, we can't see your containers. Can you adjust your camera?
Ma'am, I
Shaurya
don't
and
have
no problem. Whatever
problem.
you have a paper and cloth now. You show what you're doing.
Yes, ma'am. Wait.
Swara, adjust your camera. Okay, everyone is ready? I'm going to start the timer.
I think
Angela is not
Ma'am,
there.
Ma'am, wait 1 minute.
Angel.
Fast, Shaurya.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you tell what to do this?
Wait, we'll say.
See, we are going to count. Okay, whenever I say start, ma'am, we are starting with what sample?
We are starting with tissue paper. All of you all hold the tissue paper in your hand. We'll start with tissue paper, okay? When ma'am says start, all of you all will put the tissue paper in the water. When ma'am says stop, you all will remove it out of water and squeeze the water into the other container.
Into the
Squeeze
empty
it
container.
fully. You all know what is the meaning of squeeze? Yeah, the other container should be empty. No water should be there.
Ainesh, you are not supposed to do it now. You had to do it when we tell you to do. Keep the container empty.
Ainesh, what did I say?
Keep one container empty. All right, let's start. Okay? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, start. Keep it in water. Keep it in water.
When ma'am says stop,
put it in water completely. Put it in water completely. Leave it in water. And stop. Remove it from water and squeeze it in the other container. Squeeze it in the other container. Fast.
Squeeze it fully, okay? Squeeze it nicely. All the water should come out of it.
Done.
Done?
Okay. Can you see the amount of water? Okay. So, y'all don't have any measure. Y'all don't have anything to measure, but I am having a measuring cylinder. It is 8 ml of water. 8 milliliters of water has come out from the tissue paper. Okay? What is the quantity of water? What is the volume? 8 milliliters. All right? Now we can start with cotton cloth.
Take the handkerchief.
Now, container. Again, add water into the first container. The second container should be empty. No water should be there.
Okay.
Ainesh, empty your second container. Throw the tissue paper. Ainesh.
Ma'am, I don't have the hanky.
Who does not have a hanky? Janisha. Okay, no problem, Janisha.
Okay, now we'll start with the cotton cloth. Do
Okay.
you have any cotton cloth, Janisha? Any other cotton cloth?
A kitchen napkin or something.
I have a hanky.
Okay, all right. 5, 4, 3,
Now we want to start.
2, 1, start.
Put it inside.
Put it completely in water. Let it be in water till I ask you to stop.
Yes.
Put it in water.
Put your cotton cloth inside the water.
Stop.
Okay.
Remove it and
Remove it
squeeze
out
it
of
in the
water.
other container.
Squeeze it in the other container.
Squeeze it properly, completely. Come on, put more efforts to squeeze.
See, the measuring cylinder is already full. 200. It is 25 milliliters.
Ma'am, look,
More
ma'am.
than that.
How much do now you all see your container and tell us that when you did it with the tissue paper, was the water more, or with the cotton hanky is the water more?
Cotton
Ma'am,
hanky.
hanky is more.
Ma'am,
Cotton hanky is more.
Cotton hanky.
Yes.
ma'am,
Cotton hanky.
tissue paper.
খাই দে
Tissue paper was more, Angela?
No.
তুমি তো করুন না তুমি করতে কেন যাই
Ma'am, tissue paper
ভিডিও
is
তো ভিডিও
8 ml and big cotton hanky is 40 ml.
Wow, very good.
जल्दी
কি রে চার্জারটা এটা কি রে চার্জারটা
लगा जल्दी लगाओ.
Okay, so it is more in the cotton hanky, right? In the cotton cloth. Cotton cloth could absorb more water. It could hold more water. Okay. All of you all are done with this cotton hanky one. Now we'll try it with sponge. Put all your water back into the container, into one container. Other container should be empty.
All right,
Other
ready?
container should be empty.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, start.
Sponge. Dip the sponge fully in water.
Leave it, dip it and
Yes.
leave it. And stop.
Okay.
Squeeze out the sponge in the other container.
Ma'am, it is only 2 ml.
It is only 2 ml.
Yes. It is only too small.
How big was your sponge, Angela?
Ma'am,
It is
Can you show?
even more than the cotton cloth.
This is more than the
It is
cotton
more than
cloth.
cotton cloth.
ma'am,
Angela, your sponge is too small now. How big was your cloth?
cloth was so big.
Yeah, so if it is big, it will absorb more water. Your sponge is too small, right?
Yes.
Let's see what Nicola ma'am tells. How much is the measurement, Nicola ma'am? It is overflowing.
Yeah, it's overflowing. It's more than 25 ml, more than this measuring cylinder. Much more.
Much more than the length of the measuring cylinder. Okay. So for the tissue paper, how much it was?
For the tissue paper,
Ma'am.
it was
8 ml.
Ma'am, I measured big, auntie,
Yeah.
I have measured big one. That is more than 200 ml.
Very good. How much was the cotton cloth? How much water did the cotton cloth absorb?
25 ml.
25
40
ml.
ml.
And,
40
okay.
ml.
And how much water did the sponge absorb?
200 up to 10, 200.
More than 8 ml. More than 25 ml. In the cotton cloth.
Okay, very good.
Big one and small one only 2 ml.
Okay.
okay.
Over to you, ma'am.
All of you see that from the cotton cloth, the sponge absorb more water, right? For
Yes.
everyone. You all know, you all have seen how much water the cotton cloth had absorbed. Is the sponge, has the sponge absorbed more water or less water than the cotton cloth?
More water.
Ma'am, see, sponge has absorbed
More
this much
ma'am.
water.
More water.
Okay. So this shows that sponge absorbed most of the water, means sponge absorbed the most water than cotton cloth, and tissue paper absorbed very less water as compared to the other two. Yes? Okay. All, now we'll move on to the other experiment. Okay?
Ma'am, what we have to need for this?
Okay. Y'all need a candle, a matchbox, black paper, and any other, if y'all have butter paper with y'all. If y'all don't have, y'all can bring oil and white paper. If y'all have butter paper, well and good. If y'all don't have butter paper, y'all can bring white paper and oil. Go get the things fast.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I don't
Y'all
have
need-
black paper.
What to do with this, ma'am?
Ma'am, just 2
we'll
minutes,
say.
ma'am.
All of y'all first bring your supplies.
Ma'am, I don't have black paper.
Okay, you can see.
Ma'am, I have purple paper. Can I use that?
What do you have?
Purple paper.
Yes, you can use that.
Any dark color paper would do. Any dark color paper.
Yeah.
I'll get.
Give me a second.
Ma'am, wait a second.
See, I have taken a container. Okay. A black paper. A white paper which is rubbed with oil. Candle. And a matchbox. These are the things that you need for this experiment.
Candle, magic box. Ma'am,
Candle,
please repeat.
matchbox.
Candle, matchbox.
Candle, matchbox, any container, black paper, white paper. If you all have butter paper, good. If you all don't have butter paper, then you all can bring oil and white paper.
Done.
Okay. Everyone ready? How many of you have butter paper?
Ma'am,
No,
I
no
have.
one has butter paper.
I have.
ma'am, I have butter paper.
I have I have.
Ma'am, I
don't have dark paper. Butter paper I have.
Ma'am, I have a small
glass
butter paper.
and a torch. Ma'am, I have butter paper. We have also
Okay.
butter paper.
So,
I am not ready, ma'am.
you're not ready? Okay, I give you all some 2 minutes more.
Ma'am, it is me. I am actually trying to get the candle. What is
Okay, we can start.
ma'am?
What you have to do?
Is it okay?
Yes.
Because I have no dark paper. Ma'am,
Okay. Yes, sure, yeah, that's okay.
Ma'am,
But that is not.
can you use torch instead of candle and matchbox?
Torch, the light might come out of the container. That's why we use a candle. Okay.
Okay.
See how it works. I'll show you all. Then you all can do it. See, first of all, what I have to do, I have to put this candle into the container and I have to light it. Can you all see the candle?
Yes.
Everyone, can you all see the candle?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So, yes, we can clearly see the candle. So the glass. This is a glass. The glass is called transparent. The glass is called transparent. Okay, you need a glass for that. So the glass is called transparent. Now what we will do? We will put a butter paper or white paper with oil. Can you all see the candle now?
No.
You all can see some orange colored here. Can you all see something orange colored here?
Yes. Yes. I can see the flame.
So what is, yes, that is only the flame. You all can only see it lightly, very faint. So this is called translucent. This butter paper is called translucent. Okay. Now if you put a black paper, can you see anything?
No.
No, you cannot see anything, right? So this black paper is opaque. What is it called? Opaque, because you cannot see anything. So it's called opaque. The glass container is transparent. The butter paper is translucent. And the black paper is opaque. So all of you all can show us the activity. Who is ready? Who is ready?
Ma'am,
Angela, are you ready?
Yes.
I'm
Ma'am,
ready,
it's
ma'am.
done, ma'am. Ma'am, it's done, ma'am.
Okay, you can.
Ma'am,
Okay,
my salad done.
I want.
Ma'am, we need a
Ma'am, it's did
transparent
that, ma'am.
paper. Ma'am, we need a
Advait, you
cover.
can mute yourself. When we come to you, you can unmute.
Ma'am, we need this
Yes,
paper.
Angela.
We need a
Not Advait.
transparent paper.
Can you come, Doja? Ma'am?
Ma'am, we need this paper.
Yeah. Yes.
Central
So,
Doja.
so that is transparent.
Current.
All of you all look at Angela's work. So she's putting. Now this is translucent. Okay.
Transparent,
And
translucent, opaque.
okay, very good. Now who else is ready?
Ma'am, I'm
Zanisha, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am. And I
Zanisha,
am ready.
to us?
Ma'am, this is transparent. Translucent.
Who is showing us? Okay. Yeah.
Ma'am, I'm
Yes. Okay.
This is
Yeah. We saw it.
translucent.
Yeah. Okay.
And opaque.
Okay. All right. Advait, can you show us?
Yes, ma'am. This is translucent. This is translucent. Which you can see.
Yes.
This is translucent.
Okay.
And this is opaque.
All right. Very good. Swara, can you show us?
So now I can unblow the control.
First?
I am not ready.
Okay. Okay.
Ma'am,
You will
I
show
am
us
ready.
later. Who is ready?
Ma'am, I am
Jinisha, are
ready.
you ready? Okay. Jinisha? Okay. Now, Shaurya, you can show us. After that, Jinisha will do.
Transparent.
Yes, very nice. Then,
Translucent.
okay.
And
Yes.
opaque.
Okay. Very good. Jinisha, ready?
Ma'am, I'm ready.
Okay. You can show us. Yes. What is that? Which? Yes, we could see. So, what is that paper called? Yes, Jinisha, what is that paper called? We could see faintly. What is that paper called? We can't hear you, Jinisha.
Butter paper.
Okay, the butter paper is transparent, translucent, or opaque?
Translucent.
Translucent. Okay.
Opaque.
Yes. What is this?
Opaque.
Opaque.
Ma'am, can I tell, ma'am? Ma'am, can I tell?
Okay, now tell Anish will say after Swara. Swara, you can say.
Yes.
Yes. What is this?
Butter paper.
ସେଟାକୁ ଝାଡୁ ଦିଶିବନି ପଛଆଡୁ ଚା
Okay, butter paper. What is it? transparent, translucent or opaque?
पानी कहाँ पर बच्चे?
पानी पड़ो से
Advait, mute yourself, Advait. Ganesh, mute yourself.
I was muted still, ma'am.
You can mute yourself. After Swara, you will say. Yes. Yes, Swara. Then?
This is black paper.
Black paper. What is it? Transparent, translucent or opaque?
Opaque.
Opaque. Okay.
ओह देखो
Ma'am, can I tell?
Careful.
Now?
And this is?
Transparent.
Transparent. Okay, very good. Anish, now you-
Ma'am, can I tell?
yes,
Ma'am, can
Anish,
I
you can
tell?
say now.
से पाकुरु देखा से
Transparent.
पाकुरु देखा
Hmm.
से जलता ही पाकुरु देखेले से ना ना
Transparent.
Okay, transparent.
Translucent.
Yes. Yes. Okay.
Opaque.
Okay. Very good. So you all understood what is transparent, translucent, and opaque. Can you see this? What is this?
दोनों करा है इससे से सेगा
Children,
करा
what
है
is this?
Transparent.
Transparent, translucent, or opaque? Transparent. Very good. What is this?
Transparent.
Translucent. Translucent.
This is translucent. And this one?
Opaque.
Opaque.
This one? Opaque.
Opaque.
All right. So you all understood what is transparent, translucent, and opaque? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now we'll move on to the presentation quickly. Okay, so these are the 3 experiments that had to be conducted today. We'll move on to the experiments quickly. Okay, so what is a physical property? You all know what are sense organs? What are sense organs? You all know what are the 5 sense organs that we have? Can anyone tell me?
Ears. Yes, ma'am.
Ears,
Eyes, nose, ears, skin,
And nose.
nose.
Yes. Eyes, ears, skin, nose, and one more.
Nose.
One more. Eyes, ears, skin, nose. One more.
Eyes.
So there are 5 sense organs. We are having 5 sense organs. What do we do with our eyes? We see with our eyes. What do we do with our ears?
We hear. We hear.
Here. What do we do with our nose?
We smell.
Smell. What do we do with our tongue? What do we do with our tongue?
Tasting.
We taste. What do we do with our skin?
We feel.
Okay. So if we can see something, if we can hear something, if we can smell something, if we can taste something or feel something, that is called a physical property. Suppose we say, now see, this is a stone. Okay? This is a stone, all of you can see. What we can see that the stone is gray in color. We can see the color of the stone. So the color is the physical property. Okay? What is the shape of the stone? Can you all tell me? It has no shape. Okay? It has irregular shape. So that is also physical property. The shape is a physical property. Now, can you all hear the sound?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
What type of sound does it make? Does it make a very loud sound or a low sound?
Loud sound. Loud
Loud sound. So that is also a physical property. Okay. So whatever we can see, whatever we can hear, and whatever, this does not have any smell. We don't need to say about the smell. We don't need to taste this. Okay. But we can feel it. It is rough. It is not smooth. It is rough. So rough is also a physical property. It is rough. Okay. And it is hard. So hard is also a physical property. Understood? Now, see the ball. Now suppose the ball. What can you tell me what is the shape of the ball? You can see, right?
Sphere.
What is the shape?
Circle.
Sphere. Sphere.
Okay, it is circle or it is round. You all can say it is round. What is the color? So round is a physical property. Yes.
Green.
Yes, this is Anisha. Now, green. You all can see the color. So color is also the physical property. Okay. What is? I can feel it. You all cannot feel it, but you all can see it. Is it smooth or hard? I'm pressing it. Is it smooth or hard?
Smooth. Hard. Hard.
Hard. Because I cannot press it. I'm trying to press it, but it is not getting pressed. So it is hard. Okay. What is it, rough or is it smooth?
Smooth. Smooth.
Smooth. What is the sound?
Smooth.
Sound. Loud sound or faint sound?
Loud sound.
Loud sound.
So these are the physical properties. Okay. We can feel, which we can hear, which we can see. This does not have any smell. We don't need to taste it. But the other things we can know, right? It is round. It is green in color. It is smooth to touch. It is hard. It makes a loud sound. These are all the physical properties. Correct? Okay. Understood what are physical properties? We can move on to the presentation. Yes. Next slide. So this is all what we just saw with two examples. How it looks. Does it look shiny? Does it look dull or is it colored? How it feels? Okay, is it smooth or is it rough? Is it hard or soft? It does not have any smell, but you can, if you have a flower, it will have a flowery smell. If you have some food, it will have sweet smell or salty smell. Okay, so all these are physical properties. What is the sound? What is the taste? All these are physical properties. Understood, all of you? What are physical properties?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next slide. Okay, so there are different types of objects. Okay, some are rough to touch. You all know what is rough? Like this stone is rough. Okay, this stone is rough to touch, but this ball is smooth. This is having a smooth surface. The ball is smooth. Okay, we can say this ball is very hard. Cotton is soft. See, I have clay with me. You can press the clay, right? You can press it. You can press the clay. So clay is soft. Understood? What is rough, what is smooth, what is hard, and what is soft? This is soft. This is soft, so we can press it. But this is not soft, this is hard, so we cannot press it. Okay? This is rough. You can see the surface very rough. But this is smooth. This is smooth. Okay? This is rough. This is smooth. You can see this is smooth. And this is rough. Yes? This is smooth and this is rough. And this one is soft. And this is hard because you cannot press it. Understood what is rough, smooth, hard, and soft? Next slide. Now, what you have to do, this is a task that you all have to do, Who has their microphone on? Angela, you can mute yourself, Angela. Yes. So this is an activity that you all have to do. You all will put your hand on a piece of paper and draw the outline of your hand with a pencil. This you all have to do after class. Okay. You all will put your hand on the paper, draw the outline of your hand on the paper. Okay. Now what you'll have to do, on all the 5 fingers on the thumb, y'all can paste any picture of something that is rough. In some other thing, y'all can paste something which is hard. On the other finger, y'all can paste something which is soft. So like that, 5 different what y'all can feel, 5 different pictures y'all will paste on all the 5 fingers. Did you all understand what you'll have to do?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone
Yes,
understood? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
We'll move on to the next slide. This is, you'll have to do it and you'll have to show it to us. Okay, you'll have to show it to us. See, you all know what are magnets. We already did. Magnets, what will the magnets attract? It will attract mostly the metal, the iron, nickel, cobalt, all the metal objects. It will attract. Like you all said, it attracted the iron nails. It attracted the clips. Okay, it attracted the safety pins. So all these things will get attracted by the magnet. They are called magnetic substances. Next slide. Okay. Now, where we find magnets? In our day-to-day lives, where do we use magnets? Have you seen a credit card? At the back of the credit card, you all must have seen this black color strip. That is called a magnetic strip. Okay, that contains magnet. The back of your credit card, that contains magnet. That black color strip you all can see, that is a magnetic strip. Okay, that has magnet. It stores all the information there. You all can see this is a compass. The compass is also having magnet inside. Okay, so that it will always be in the north direction. You all can see that somebody is sticking something with the help of a magnet. You can also stick something on an iron cupboard. You can stick some paper with the magnet on an iron cupboard. See, they are also having something which is metallic. So they can stick some paper or something with the help of the magnet. You all can also try after class. Stick something on, if you all have a cupboard or something which is not made of wood, it is made up of iron. You all can stick it. You all can stick something, any paper on top of it. Okay, you all can try that. It is also used in cranes. You all can see the big cranes. What it does, out of lot of things, it pulls only the iron things, the metal things. Okay, see, cars, something which is metallic, it can pull. Such big things also, big magnets can pull. You all can see the picture of the crane. Everyone?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So it is used to separate the iron things from the other things. Okay. Now what you all need to do, you all need to, after this class, you all need to find out where else do we use magnets in our day-to-day lives. In what else are we using magnets? Except these 4 things, you all have to find out more new things where we use magnets. Okay? Where we are using magnets. You all will tell me in the next class where we use magnets. All right? Okay. Understood? This is your second task to do after class. Next slide. See, these are the different types of magnets: bar magnet, horseshoe magnet, and a ring magnet. And each and every magnet has two poles. This is the north pole, this is the south pole. Okay, you all can see a dot here, a white colored dot. This is the north pole and this is the south pole. See what we will do. We will try to attract. This is the north pole and this is the north pole. Okay. Now it attracts or not? Here is the north pole. See, if this is the north pole, this is the south pole. This is the north pole, this is the south pole. So what is this? South pole and north pole. So it will attract. What is it doing? It is attracting. But if you turn it the opposite side, if you turn it this side, what will happen? It is not attracting. See what is happening? See? Understood? What is happening? It is not attracting. This is north pole. South pole and north pole will attract each other. But north pole and north pole will not attract each other. They will go away from each other. Now this is south pole. This is also south pole. See what is happening? Is it attracting? No, it is not attracting. See what is happening? See, it will, like magic, it will turn. Did you all see that?
Yes.
Everyone, did you all see
Yes,
that?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So,
Yes, ma'am.
like poles, the like poles, if see, you all see this picture here. Like poles repel each other. North and north pole, what is happening? They are going far away from each other. South and south pole, they are going far away from each other. But north and south pole, they are coming close to each other. Yes? So like poles will repel each other, but unlike poles will attract each other. Understood? Everyone understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Or you all did not understand? Understood, everyone?
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
Next.
understand, ma'am.
Understood, ma'am.
Ma'am, will over solid 5.
Next slide. Okay, you all tell me now the first picture. What will happen? Will it attract or repel? I will ask one by one. Angela, tell me what will happen? Will it attract or repel? First picture. North and south are together. Will it attract or repel?
Attract.
Attract.
Very good. Okay.
Attract.
Advait, second picture. Advait, second picture. Attract or repel?
Repel.
Repel. Very good. Swara, third picture. Attract or repel?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Repel. Okay. Jinisha, fourth
Ma'am,
picture.
attract,
Attract or repel?
Attract, ma'am.
Okay, attract. But I asked Jinisha.
Ma'am.
Ma'am, I didn't get chance, ma'am. This.
Ma'am, your voice is breaking.
My voice?
Is
Is
breaking.
it clear?
It is breaking.
Is it breaking for everyone or is it only breaking for Jinisha?
Ma'am, not for me.
Are you all able to hear me?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Next
Yes.
slide. All right. So with this, we end today's class. So what are you all? What you all have to go and do? You all know what you all have to go and do. One is
We'll do
the
our
hand.
homework, ma'am.
Yes. What is the homework? What is the homework? What I gave you all?
We have to draw a hand and stick some hard and soft things.
Yes. Put pictures of different textures. Okay, maybe rough, smooth, soft, hard, shiny. You have to put different pictures of objects. Okay, on the 5 fingers. And the other homework, what I gave you all, what you have to do? What else I asked you all to do?
Then, where do we use magnets?
We will have to do.
Yes. Okay. So y'all must do these 2 things. Okay. And
Okay,
y'all
ma'am.
also can go and attend the quiz. Okay, in the portal. So these 3 things y'all must do. All right.
Ma'am, do you have to?
My school magnets.
Next class I ask you all what are the robotics of magnets.
Oh my God.
Yes.
Door magnet.
Yes, Angela.
Ma'am, do you?
I couldn't hear you, Angela. What did you say?
Ma'am, do you have to put a photo of it in the group?
Yes, you'll have to put a photo of it in the group. Okay?
Okay.
Ma'am,
What we have to stick?
Ma'am, this is door magnet and this is robotics
Ma'am,
magnet.
ma'am, what
Because this
we
is
have to
battery
do?
magnet.
Okay.
Ma'am,
So
what
I'll have
we
to
have
find
to
out
stick?
where else.
Ma'am, this is
Ma'am, what
battery
we have to
magnet, ma'am.
stick?
What you'll have to.
Ma'am, this is battery
You all can
magnet. Ma'am, this is one
Ma'am.
magnet
see,
battery.
Angela.
Ma'am, it is
Ma'am, what we
Okay.
have to stick?
I mean,
door
give
magnet.
yourself wait a little. See, Angela, what you have to draw the picture of your hand, and you have to paste some pictures. Like, for example, you can paste a small paper and write smooth. The paper is smooth. You can paste a sandpaper and write. You know what is a sandpaper? Have you seen a sandpaper?
No, ma'am.
Yes.
You all can paste a small piece of sandpaper and write rough. So like that, you all will find out different materials or the pictures of different materials, and you all can stick the picture, or you all can stick a paper or a sandpaper and write what is the texture. Is it smooth? Is it hard? Is it shiny?
Ma'am, your video is stuck now.
We can't hear Nicola ma'am, but what Nicola ma'am was explaining was that you have to draw outline of your palm, and at the fingertips on the drawing, you have to paste items with different texture. By texture, you mean some items which are smooth, for example, cotton or a piece of velvet. Rough items like a little bit of sand or salt, and something which is really soft, something which is hard like a piece of stone. So for 5 fingers, you have to paste 5 different textures on the drawing. Okay, is that clear to everyone?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, leave the class, ma'am.
We can leave the
Okay,
class.
complete your homework, submit your answers before Tuesday. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Bye-bye, children.
Bye, auntie.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.